Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you deposit on Bitget Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to deposit, you just simply have to open your Bitget Wallet application, and after opening the Bitget Wallet you will get to see a bunch of options into here. Among them, just simply select this wallet section at the bottom right corner. And after selecting wallets, you will get this option of deposit crypto, transfer asset from other exchanges or wallets. Tap into deposit crypto and then you will get to see this section where you can select the receiving tokens. If your region allows this feature, you can receive the tokens and select between them, and after that you can easily deposit crypto or other funds into your Bitget wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.